Strobopost D78, professional strobe light, portable, rechargeable, high performance. Key features: compact, lightweight, and easy to handle. Very powerful despite its small size. Operates at very low voltage, making it very safe. Ultra bright OLED display. Continuous operation from 4 to 12 hours. Latest generation LEDs and lenses for powerful, uniform light, ideal for observing colors and details. Main technical specifications: brightness, 4500 lux at 300 mm. Light color, natural white. Range, from 60 to 50,000 flashes per minute. Resolution, 0.1 flash per minute. Flash duration adjustable manually in real time. Automatic settings memory. Never without light. By setting a minimum charge percentage, below which the flash power is reduced, a message on the display prompts you to recharge as soon as possible. This allows you to continue working for several more dozen minutes, postponing the recharge. Operation and control. The D78 is easily controlled with just the smart knob. From the main tuning function, with 1, 2, or 3 quick presses, you access all other functions. To return to tuning from any function, simply press the knob again. The smart knob is sensitive to rotation speed. Fast rotations produce large variations, even by hundreds of flashes per minute. Slow rotations produce small variations, down to 0.1 flash per minute. Operation test. Let's rotate a 110 mm diameter disc at about 3,300 revolutions per minute. Numbers and characters of various sizes are visible on the disc. The motor speed is not controlled, so the frozen image will have a slight drift. Video information. Flashes cause interference during video recording. In the video, you will see lines that don't actually exist. The human eye, however, sees the image perfectly sharp and without any interference. Let's proceed with the test. We spin the disc at about 3,300 revolutions per minute. We turn on the D78 for the test. We will immediately see the flashes with the stored duration and frequency. Tuning function. Tuning is the main function. In tuning, by rotating the knob, we find the frozen images. As you approach a frozen image, the rotation seems to slow down until it stops. Now it's possible to read the text on the rotating disc clearly. Frequency memory. Pressing the knob for 2 seconds, a brief message confirms the frequency has been stored. In newer versions, storage is automatic. Turning the device off and on again, we find the previous frequency and frozen image. Phase function. Accessed by pressing the knob twice. We can move the frozen image in both directions. In the video, we illuminate an entire disc. Imagine instead a roller and we freeze the number 9. The phase function allows us to scroll the roller and see all other printed sections. We can, for example, make the number 3 appear. Harmonics function. Accessed with one press of the knob. Rotating right multiplies the flashes per minute by 1, 2, 3, etc. Rotating left divides the flashes per minute by 1, 2, 3, etc. Other uses of harmonics. As a tachometer, when going from 2 freezes to 1 freeze, the flashes per minute correspond to the motor's RPM. For quick sweeps, harmonics allows us to quickly explore the entire operating range. Flash time function. Accessed with 3 presses on the knob. The flash duration is selectable from 2 to 100 microseconds. High value, brighter flashes. Low value, less bright flashes. When exiting, the value is automatically saved. Flash time information. An advanced algorithm calculates the flash duration. It considers the manually entered value and automatically makes the necessary corrections for optimal operation. Service function. Accessed by pressing the knob during power on. The device serial number will be displayed. From here you can change the phase angle step, the operating range, the battery alarm threshold, perform a reset to factory values, save the new parameters. Factory reset. To reset to factory settings, select number 9. The device will restart with the default values. Among these, 3000 flashes per minute, 100 microseconds flash time. Conclusions. After a short practice period, using the Strobopost D78 will become easy and intuitive. You will quickly switch between functions without looking at the display. The D78 will be a valuable tool to improve your work quality, highlighting defects and malfunctions with precision. The Strobopost team thanks you for your attention. For more information, visit the website www.strobopost.com or contact us at the email address info@strobopost.com.